Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to move an off-screen window back to the screen in Windows 11, 10. Hold Shift key, right-click app, click Move. Using up, down, left and right arrow key to move desired location. Press Enter key to finish moving. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.